The iCarsoft i906 Diagnostic Scanner is a versatile tool designed specifically for Volvo and Saab vehicles, providing comprehensive diagnostics across multiple systems including the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags. This scanner supports all 10 modes of OBD II and EOBD operations, which includes advanced test modes such as CANBUS, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and Jane 50, ensuring thorough diagnostics. With the ability to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes as well as monitor live data streams, this scanner offers a robust solution for maintaining vehicle health. The iCarsoft i906 is equipped with essential OBD II functions for all compliant vehicles, including readiness tests, data streaming, freeze-frame data, oxygen sensor tests, and evaporative system tests. A standout feature is the lifetime free updates via USB, which ensures that the scanner remains up to date with the latest vehicle software without additional cost. The device's multi-language support and 1-year warranty further enhance its user-friendliness and reliability, making it a valuable tool for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts.